Good morning. Well, today many people are so scared. So again doing Hantu and then do Peras, but they say want to go Peras, go down a bit. Okay, so I'll follow them. Let's go. Okay, last training before my Fraser. Okay man, let's go man. So 7 of us today. They want to do a slightly longer route. So from Peras they want to go down a little bit. Okay, so let's go. Hopefully I have the power today. Okay, and the climb starts now. Sama?
The first ever big fan all the way.
No smoke kind one, right?
你有冇聽法？如果係佢，
哦。Climb. Okay, done with Hantu. The group and off to Peras. Okay, now we're at Hantu.
上面最低嘅平話咋？收啊！
Okay, now we're gonna stick and then teamwork to Peras. Yeah. Go. Everybody. Me too, man. Shit. Let's go. Very misty, so beautiful. Okay, almost done with Peras. That's it for Peras. Okay, that's it for Peras.
包来，老板。鞋里拿真快，刚刚你会讲22哦。鞋里拿真快。
Alright,
因为我要到
so I guess now
KOM 啊。
we're probably gonna go Namwa breakfast and then back.
自然来
Yeah.
就有 KOM 的。
No man, the brake pad is, see, they have went to Went down from Peras heading to not before Concoy. I think I need to head back, get my bike checked. So I don't think I'm joining them down. Because this brake is not looking good. Just what happened is my piston got jacked. Went to the bike shop, get it fixed, then changed the brake pad. So new brake pad is thicker, then apparently it's touching my rotors. Right, so the bike shop CFO was trying to align, but it wasn't that perfect lah. He already warned me. Maybe I can try. Maybe if I brake will worn out the pad. But instead, because we're going downhill, right, like this, especially just now, Hantu downhill, now here downhill, right? So when you press on the front brake, on the brakes, right, it gets hot, and then the rotors basically expand, and then it gets worse. In fact, I thought I go downhill, I press, I might be able to, you know, use up the brake pad surface a bit, so that the rotor, there's some space for the rotor lah. It's just basically the rotors are touching the pad just a little bit, not that much, but now it seems worse. Yeah, so I better go back, send my bike back to my regular bike shop and get them to look at it. Before things got worse, because they want to do the third peak of Peras. Means they're gonna go down before Concoy and then U-turn back up. So I don't want to do too much descent. Yeah. Wow. Is that for my bike or what? See? It's not good. Yeah, actually it's super hot, man. You hear the sound earlier? Not good. I think maybe wait for it to cool down before I continue. Should I sprinkle some water? It's hot. It's hot. Wait a while first lah. So the screw at my RD came loose, so that makes the sound. Yeah, quick fix. Luckily I found out the problem because I experienced it before. But my brake is not fixed, you see. Gotta send back to bike shop lah. Okay, let's go. Okay, at least now I got one problem fixed. Another one to get fixed. I'll leave it there, service the bike before the coming Fraser ride. That is a lot of percent at about 30-40 km. Here itself is about 8. Later go up Hantu, come back down another 4. Okay. Tahan na, my rotors, tahan please. 12 km of descent na, tahan na. I'll try my best. Okay, let's climb back to Hantu. That's my baby. Go for service. Okay, come on, let's climb, baby. Hear the sound. I also don't know what sound is it. So many sound coming from all sort of angles. Bit more to go and I'm done. Done. Done with Hantu. That's it. Done. Okay, balik. Okay, done with the ride. Too many problems this ride. Bike not feeling good. Yeah, so usual Hantu, Peras, Hantu route. Yeah, I think this should be my last one. And next week off for the Fraser KOM. Yeah. So now, send my bike for service. Have to lah. Yeah, so to get a smooth Fraser ride. So that's it. My friends are still cycling. I think they went to Concoy. Yeah, so I gotta come back myself, get my bike fixed. Yeah, don't want to damage anything further. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in Fraser.